Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Thanksgiving is almost here, and it is time to start thinking about what we are going to prepare for that special night. Even when the most important part is being grateful and spend time with family and friends, we also love to enjoy food. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a different kind of menu because we all know that we like to serve mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, roasted vegetables, homemade bread, sweet potato casserole, gravy. We all know that the star of the show is always a roasted turkey. But aren't you kind of tired of always serving the same turkey? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you a smoked turkey that is so delicious, juicy, and very easy to prepare. So if you are ready to make a delicious, fun change in your Thanksgiving menu, stay with me. To start making this delicious smoked turkey, of course, you need a turkey. So choose your bird. And if it is frozen, you have to make sure that it's completely unfrozen because doing this. So plan ahead if you are not using a fresh turkey. After you make sure that your turkey is completely unfrozen, you can brine it. You can choose between a dry brine or a wet brine. When the turkey is already brined, take it out the brine and wash it and clean it completely and put it on a surface ready to have the rub. A dry rub that we cover completely this turkey, and we make this rub by mixing all these ingredients: cumin, paprika, granulated garlic, granulated onion, chili powder, brown sugar, salt, and pepper, and cover completely the turkey until there's no space without this delicious rub. And I like to put inside the cavity of the turkey whatever I have in hand, like lemons, limes, and any kind of herbs I have available. Right now I have basil, so I use basil, thyme, oregano, whatever you have available at your home to fill this turkey, and it's gonna smell and give it an extra aroma to this delicious smoked turkey. So get your smoker ready and choose a favorite kind of wood you like. I like to start very low, and then after I turn my smoker to higher temperature to seal and give it a better color to the turkey. Now you have to preheat your smoker, and when it's already preheated, I like to put the turkey for a very low temperature for around 2 hours. And then I set the temperature higher until the turkey is an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. And it's gonna be tender and juicy. So now I show you guys how this delicious smoked turkey looks. You see? Thank you guys for being one more time with me here in Cooking with Hilda. And please, as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.